Hello everyone, this is RKV and you are watching Unveil Universe. So today we are going to start a new series which would be called Tips and Tricks, and I'll be showing you different tips and tricks what you can do with your Android smartphone. I mean what incredible things we can do with our Android smartphones. So today I'll be showing you how you can call anywhere in the world for free. So what you have to do is just follow what I'm telling you to do. Go to Play Store and download this app known as Text Plus and install it. I have already installed it, so I don't need to install it again. I'll just open it. You do the same, just install it and then open it. And you just have to log in before you go in. I have already logged in, so I do not need any way to log in again. So I'll just log in and you will find your my text number and your documents, and it will ask for some contacts and everything, and just allow it. And then you can just go to this page and then go to start watching. Wait for some time, it will load ads. And you can call freely anywhere in the world. That's absolutely free, nothing to pay. You don't have to pay anything. You can just simply call. The ads will be showing up. They will be simple ads for 30 seconds, and you just have to watch them for 30 seconds. A single ad will provide you with 0.01 cent, and you can call to different places with different call rates, just like this. Oh, okay. The ad is already being there. I'll show you how it works. The ad was only for 15 seconds. You can see the timer here. And the ad is going to end just after 1 second. As the ad ends, you just need to go back and you will receive your, you received the credit here. Again, I'll show you how it is going to work. You do it again, you have an ad for 30 seconds, you watch it, and then you come back. So you just need to do is watch some ads. I mean, you can simply spend 5 minutes over this application a day, and you can easily gain like 5 to 10 minutes of calling anywhere in the world. And that's absolutely free. You do not need to pay anything. And that's fine. That's fine. I'll show you how it works, and even though I can call anyone, I'll show you how it works. So I have already received 5 as my balance, 0.05, and I can even call using this amount. So I'll just try to call my parents. As you can see, I'm dialing. I'll just dial my father's number. We'll be asking some permissions. We should be allowing them. Okay.
Call subscriber is busy.
Yeah, so you can hear. So what do you think about this application? Is it useful for you? Tell me in the comment section below, and I'll see you tomorrow in the next one. Till then, peace out.